Welcome sa panibago nating tutorial. Sa video na ito, pag-aaralan natin ng I Wanna Be Yours by Arctic Monkeys. At para updated ka sa mga bago pa nating tutorial, don't forget subscribe. Okay, simulan na natin. Okay, ang kapo natin ay sa 3rd fret. Ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay A minor, D minor, at E minor. Pagdating sa A minor, 2nd string ay 1st fret, and then 3rd string at 4th string ay 2nd fret. Next ay D minor. 1st string ay 1st fret, 2nd string ay 3rd fret, and 3rd string ay 2nd fret. Next ay E minor. 4th string at 5th string ay 2nd fret. Pagdating naman sa strumming pattern na gagamitin natin ay down, 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 up. Sa A minor, down, 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 up. Ulit lang. Down, 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 up. And then, pagdating sa D minor at E minor, isang beses na lang maulit yung strumming pattern. D minor, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up. And then, pagdating naman sa chorus, ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay D minor, E minor, A minor, G, at F. Pagdating sa G, 1st string at 2nd string ay 3rd fret, 5th string ay 2nd fret, and 6th string ay 3rd fret. Next ay F, 2nd string ay 1st fret, 3rd string ay 2nd fret, and 4th string ay 3rd fret. Pagdating naman sa strumming pattern, ganun pa rin po. Down, 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 up. D minor. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. Secrets I have heard in my heart are harder to hide the nights of. Baby, I just wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. Wanna be yours. Wanna be yours. Wanna be yours. Okay, yan po ang chorus natin. Pagkatapos niyan, balik verse 2 lang ulit. Same chords at strumming pattern pa rin po, kagaya lang ng pinag-aralan natin kanina sa verse 1. Okay, dito na po nagtatapos ang ating tutorial. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo. At kung nahihirapan naman po kayo, ay practice lang at makukuha niyo rin yan. Abangan nyo na lang ulit ang susunod nating tutorial.